It's week 3 of RMC Wildcat, and as you can see behind me, we have no more exit ramp. And a couple trees have been knocked down. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Yeah guys, Hershey Park doesn't look like they're slowing down anytime soon with RMC Wildcat. I have no idea why they're deciding to knock down the exit ramp. So this leads me to believe that they might be extending the layout. This is a lot of action. There's a couple diggers, there's one over there. Yeah, right now, the former exit ramp is just a big old pile of wood. We also have a lot of markers, as you can see. There's a couple over here. So who knows what they might be using this for. It's a little small to fit in another element, but who knows. RMC always tends to amaze me with what they can do. But yeah, like I always think that, you know, I'm not gonna see any action until we see an announcement, but just when I think that they do something like this, yeah, this is a lot. And not really much here again to update on. There wasn't really a lot of action last week. They might be using this for the new haunt maze that's going back here, but they also may be using that tent back there. So I didn't see a lot of action when I was driving in today. Those piles of wood are still there, which kind of leads me to believe that they might be using that to extend the height. Although RMC came out and said that, you know, where could you see our next lift truss system? So I honestly think RMC Wildcat might have the lift truss system. So we gotta keep that in mind and expect that when Hershey Park announces RMC Wildcat. So, if they're not using it for the lift truss system, Mike, what else could they be using it for? Well, I think Hershey Park also wants to expand the layout. I would love to see, like, kind of like the Outer Bank Hill on, like, Iron Gwazi, kind of like facing Hershey Park Drive as you're driving up. I feel like that would be really cool, because you see, like, Lightning Racer, and then you would see Iron Wildcat and riders going down like this 90-degree drop and being flipped out towards Hershey Park Drive. You know, I think it would be really cool to have something like that in there. And just like extra wood in case some of the old supports maybe not be usable anymore. Let's go take a ride on the Ferris wheel and the Kissing Tower and see what we can see.
chose this location due to the nearby store.
See, there's the separate part. The line for the new side goes all the way down around. We're here on Friday.
And well, that's going to do it from today's update with RMC Wildcat. As you can see, there was a lot of stuff to cover and ground to cover. Yeah, anytime there's something to update you with, I will be back here to update you guys on it. Until then, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please leave a comment for me, and I will see you again when there's something to update you guys on with RMC Wildcat. Bye-bye, guys.